Hi, I'm Mama Giuliana. My tip today is how to prepare Parmesan basket. What we need, of course, we need Parmesan. We need a glass or whatever you want. Depends how big you want to make the basket. And a very hot pan. I put Parmesan inside. And you see, start to make noise because the pan has to be hot. Okay, and you wait, that's start to dissolve with the hot. Today we are going to use this glass that give the shape quite big. And it's nice because after you can put inside some salad or shrimps or more cheese, what you like. Usually it's nearly 5 minutes you have to stay inside till the Parmesan cook. Okay, you will see start to come brown. It's important sometimes you move a little bit, but it usually doesn't stick. You said usually because maybe, but you know the Parmesan, it's fat, so you have oil inside. And when it's cooked, it's brown all around, you just take a piece of paper to help you don't burn your finger. And try to make, once you are ready to take it out, just try to make fast. If you move all the border around a little bit, it's come also nice because you create the border around. Okay, now the basket is ready. You help you with this one just to close like this. Then you wait a few minutes that come cold. And you see the basket is ready.